Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best airplane toys is probably one of the most captivating and educational gifts you can give to the young aviation enthusiasts in your life, sparking their imagination and providing hours of engaging playtime. These aren't just simple toys, they are miniature marvels that can transport children to the skies, allowing them to reenact thrilling aerial adventures, learn about different aircraft types, and develop fine motor skills as they assemble, pilot, and display their favorite models. Whether it's a sleek fighter jet, a sturdy cargo plane, or a classic propeller aircraft, each toy offers a unique window into the world of aviation, fostering a sense of wonder and a potential lifelong passion for flight. Number 5. Holy Stone HS210 Mini Drone for Kids and Beginners. Introducing the Holy Stone HS210, the perfect mini drone designed for kids and beginners. It's ready for adventure, whether you're indoors or out. This portable drone is packed with fun features like toss to launch, 3D flips, and auto rotation. Boys and girls will love mastering these exciting maneuvers with adjustable speeds. Experience stable flight with its auto-hovering capability, maintaining a consistent altitude. Starting and landing are a breeze with one-key controls, making it incredibly easy to operate. Never let a low battery cut your fun short. With 3 included batteries, enjoy up to 21 minutes of flight time. Plus, a low battery alarm ensures you won't lose it. Fly with confidence thanks to headless mode. You don't need to worry about the drone's orientation, even when it's out of sight, ensuring a more enjoyable experience. Safety is paramount with its full protection guard, preventing any accidental bumps or injuries. It's a great gift for children and teens, offering secure fun for the whole family. What we like. If you're looking for a drone that's incredibly easy to fly, this is it. With auto-hovering and headless mode, even absolute beginners can master it quickly. Plus, with 3 batteries included, you get extended flight time, meaning less waiting and more fun in the air. What people say. It comes with 3 batteries and some spares, so plenty of flying time. This drone has probably survived hundreds of crashes into walls and the floor, yet this little guy still takes off and keeps making my kids happy. It hovers on its own and has a slow mode. I fly it and my 4-year-old chases and has a go, but too advanced for him to fly on his own. But it is remarkably robust for a little toy. We have had a ton of crashes and it is totally fine, hasn't missed a beat. Number 4. Fuwidvia 3-pack Airplane Launcher Toys. Introducing the Fuwidvia 3-pack Airplane Launcher Toys, a fantastic set designed for endless outdoor enjoyment. Get ready for hours of aerial adventures. These foam gliders are simple to assemble and come with a launcher for exciting takeoffs. Kids can easily learn to launch them, developing coordination and a sense of direction. Choose between 2 thrilling flight modes, gyro mode and gliding mode. Simply adjust the rear wing to switch between them and watch them soar. Experience impressive flight distances of up to 49 feet. These lightweight yet durable planes offer high-performance free flight, perfect for outdoor fun away from screens. Made from safe, bendable foam, these toys are gentle on little hands. Plus, with colorful LED lights, the fun doesn't have to stop when the sun goes down. Looking for an ideal gift? These airplane toys are perfect for birthdays, holidays, and any occasion for kids aged 4 to 12. They encourage active play and imagination. What we like. For those who love outdoor play and a bit of friendly competition, this set is perfect. You get 3 planes and a launcher, offering great value and the chance for multiple kids to play together. The LED lights make it fun for evening play, and the 2 flight modes add variety to the aerial acrobatics. What people say. The planes fly pretty far and are made of soft materials. Lights on the plane are very cool as well. We got this 3-pack of LED foam glider airplanes for our backyard and it has been a huge hit. The set includes 3 colorful gliders plus an easy-to-use launcher that sends them flying so far, definitely fun to challenge the kids to see whose plane goes the highest or farthest. My kids play with them all the time too. Mostly shooting them at each other through the house lol, but occasionally make it outside to see who can shoot them the furthest. Number 3. Kidsthrill Airplane Toy with Lights and Sounds. Let your child become a pilot with this exciting airplane toy. It's designed for hours of engaging fun, featuring colorful lights and authentic sounds. Crafted from high-quality, durable plastic, this toy is built to last. Its child-friendly design ensures there are no sharp edges, making it safe for little ones. This toy encourages imaginative play and can help develop motor skills. It's a fantastic way to stimulate your child's creativity and brain development. With bright colors and realistic actions, it helps children visualize flying like a real pilot. They can even enjoy quieter play by removing the batteries. We are committed to providing excellent quality and customer service. If you're not completely satisfied, we'll make it right. What we like. If you want an engaging toy that stimulates imagination and motor skills, this is a fantastic choice. It moves on its own with bump-and-go action, complete with flashing lights and realistic sounds, making playtime feel like a real flight experience. It's built tough for hours of creative fun. What people say. The lights are bright, fun and still work. Very well made and so easy to put together, all you have to do is insert all wings. Ready in 5 minutes. The plane has 2 different sounds and it's not too loud. Very bring lights and fun to play with. Number 2. Kidsthrill airplane toy with lights and sounds. Get ready for an exciting adventure. This toy airplane lets your child become a pilot, transforming playtime into an unforgettable experience. It's perfect for sparking imagination for hours of fun. Watch as it comes alive with colorful flashing lights and authentic takeoff sounds. This durable toy is designed for endless entertainment, keeping your little ones engaged. Crafted from high-quality, durable plastic, this toy is built to last. Its child-friendly design ensures there are no sharp edges, making it completely safe for your child to enjoy. More than just a toy, it encourages imaginative play and helps develop motor skills. It's an ideal plaything for learning, growing, and exploring new worlds. With its bright colors and realistic action, it helps children visualize flying like a real pilot. It's a fantastic addition to any toy collection, inspiring creative storytelling. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you're not completely happy with this toy, we'll make it right. Quality and excellent customer service are our top priorities. What we like. For those who want an engaging toy that stimulates imagination and motor skills, this is a fantastic choice. It moves on its own with bump-and-go action, complete with flashing lights and realistic sounds, making playtime feel like a real flight experience. It's built tough for hours of creative fun. What people say. The lights are bright, fun and still work. Very well made and so easy to put together, all you have to do is insert all wings. Ready in 5 minutes. The plane has 2 different sounds and it's not too loud. Very bring lights and fun to play with. Number 1. Onysurui 3-pack LED foam airplane launcher toy. Get ready for exciting outdoor adventures with this 3-pack foam airplane launcher. It comes with everything you need for hours of fun, including DIY stickers. These amazing gliders have 2 flight modes, parallel and rotate. Simply adjust the tail insert to switch between them and watch them soar. Getting these planes ready for takeoff is a breeze. Just assemble the wings and tail, place it on the launcher, and pull the trigger for an incredible launch. Made from safe and durable materials, these toys are perfect for the yard, park, or beach. They can fly up to an impressive 49 feet. Looking for a gift that will bring smiles? This set is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion for kids aged 3 to 12. It includes everything for immediate fun. What we like. If your child enjoys customizing their toys and loves outdoor activities, this set is ideal. It comes with 3 LED foam airplanes and fun DIY stickers for personalization. The launcher provides an exciting way to send them soaring, offering hours of active play and creative expression. What people say. The airplane launcher exceeded expectations. It works seamlessly, catapulting the foam gliders to surprising heights. The LED feature adds an extra layer of excitement, making it a fantastic outdoor sport flying toy. The durability of the foam gliders stood out. Even with the repeated launches, the planes held up remarkably well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.